welcome back to my channel. I am Pranjla and I hope you all are doing well. So as you read by the title, in today's video I'm doing a PR haul. I've been wanting to do this since so long now and finally I'm doing it. But before we start, here's a little disclaimer that this video is not to brag or to show off or anything. I personally love watching hauls, PR hauls or any sort of hauls, and I felt like there might be a lot of people like me also. So वीडियो से थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने एक पोल भी डाला था Instagram पे just to check अभी भी पसंद है या नहीं. So 95% of people said yes. So yeah, that's also one reason that I'm doing it. So in case you're somebody who doesn't like hauls or PR hauls in particular, then please skip on watching this video. You can go ahead and watch other videos of mine. I will link them in the description box. So yeah, you're not forced to watch this video if you don't like it. And if you're someone who's interested, then please keep on watching, because I'm going to be telling you guys a lot about all of the products while we go through the whole haul. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just dive into the video. So I started this beauty content creation in mid-May on Instagram and YouTube. Not this channel obviously, because this channel I created in December, but on my previous channel I used to post a lot of videos consistently. So I started in mid of May and I got my first PR in July, although I was supposed to get it in June only, but because of COVID situation the deliveries got delayed and I got my PR in July. So yeah, before I show you guys my first ever PR, let me just tell you guys that whatever you'll see here is a part of barter and not paid. Okay, so I just wanted to make it clear to you guys. So the first ever PR that I got in July was from Wow Skin Science. So they sent me their 3 products. The first product that they sent to me was their apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. This one. This is how it looks like the outer packaging. This is how it looks like. I like the face wash, like I've used it a couple of times. The only thing I really like about this is the applicator that it comes with, like the exfoliator, not the applicator, exfoliator, because I love using this. This relaxes the whole thing. You know, it just feels so good using this exfoliator. So the face wash is more or so the same face wash, like there's so many in the market, foaming face washes, but the only thing I like is the exfoliator that it comes with. So yeah, that's about the face wash. Then coming on to the second product that they sent was their chocolate caffeine face mask. I love using this mask. This soothes my skin to some other level. Let me just show you the tub size. This is a huge tub. Look at the tub. Oh my god, I'm almost halfway there. And it also comes with this foam brush, and I use this brush with all my masks, like all of them. So I'm grateful that it comes with a brush, because yeah, not just this mask, you would use the brush for every other mask, right? So the mask is really good. It smells like chocolate, like completely chocolate, and it also soothes the skin, so voila. And it does not feel drying at all when you remove it. So that's the plus point. Moving on to the third product that they sent was their Wow Skin Science Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel. Now this is something I cannot live without, especially in winters. Like in winters, my skin is super dry in the morning especially. Like I get dry patches and all of that on my skin in winters. So I definitely need a water-based moisturizer to moisturize my skin, and this works the best. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It is such a nice moisturizer. I love it, and I cannot spend a day without this. So every morning I have to apply it. After I wash my face, I have to apply it. So yeah, so out of all the 3 products that they sent to me, this one is my favorite, and I'm almost done with this. Like obviously I got this in July and this is January now, but जब से winters आए तब से थोड़ा ज़्यादा use करती हूँ मैं every single day, every single morning. Night में क्या use करते हैं वो भी बताऊँगी. So Thamba. Okay, so the second PR that I got again in July first week was from Blue Nectar Ayurveda, and they sent to me their honey and tea tree pimple clear face cleanser. This is how it looks like. I love it. This is such a nice face wash. I'm almost done with this. I use it every single day, like every single day I use this. This is my second most favorite face wash. I will show you the first one also, but this is second most favorite face wash of mine. The only thing is that it is really mild and gentle on the skin, which is a plus point. But as it says pimple clearing face wash, I don't see a lot of difference in pimple clearing thing. So, you know, if you're interested in buying this only because it is pimple clearing, then I don't think so. But yeah, this is really mild, very gentle on the skin. Love it. And you don't really need a lot of it, so yeah, plus point. So this is the second PR that I got in July. After the first PR from Blue Nectar Ayurveda, the team also sent to me another product after a couple of months. So this one is their Jasmine Nourishing Repair Cream. This one is their night cream. This is how it looks like. Like, look at the box. I love the packaging, okay? Like, even this had a good packaging, outer packaging, but I definitely threw it away. I didn't know I would do a video on it. So yeah. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I'll show you the outer packaging first. This is the plain card. And then this is how it looks like from the inside. And this is the cream. Okay, this is really gentle again. Just like the face wash, this is also very mild and gentle. The only con I would say is थोड़ी आँख में लगती है when you apply the cream on your face. So I would suggest eyes close करके लगाओ, especially if you have very sensitive eyes. I have sensitive eyes, so I'm telling you guys. But my mom and dad also uses it, and अभी तक उन्होंने मुझे कभी ये बोला नहीं क्योंकि आँख में लग रही है, but मुझे लग रही है तो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. हो सकता है आपके साथ सेम हो. तो yeah, if you consider buying it, so just close your eyes while you're applying it. Yeah, otherwise this is a really nice night cream, so I definitely apply it in the night. So yeah, this was what Blue Nectar Ayurveda sent to me. Now coming on to the next PR, I got this one from Skin Castle Cosmetics. So they sent to me their 5 products. Now this one is an Instagram store, so they do not have a website till now. So yeah, you can check their products on Skin Castle Cosmetics. This is their Instagram username ID. So you can go ahead and check them out. Okay, so they sent to me their 5 products. So the first one I have is their beetroot lip and cheek tint. This is how it looks like. So this product जो खत्म हो चुका है, this one is my favorite out of all the products that they sent to me. This one is their tea aloe gel. This one is also their best selling product. ये mini size है, इसमें बड़ा भी आता है. So if you're interested in buying, you can go ahead and buy it. This is really good. मैंने सोचा था मैं इसको किसी और चीज़ में यूज़ करूँगी इसके कंटेनर को, but अभी तक तो मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया है. Let's see क्या करती हूँ मैं इसका. But yeah, I loved it. Next, they sent to me their scrubs. So this one is their lip scrub, and this is in the flavor rose. You can definitely tell by the packaging. Pinky. Oh, rose is red, but it's okay. ठीक है ना? Scrub pink है. And also their charcoal face scrub. So let's just talk about the scrubs for a while now. So the lip scrub is really good. The formulation is good and it does its job really nicely. For the face scrub, it is good, but the only thing is जो इसके granules हैं वो थोड़े से बड़े हैं. Like जो scrub के granules होने चाहिए वो थोड़े से छोटे होने चाहिए ताकि वो skin को harsh impact ना करें. But इसके जो granules हैं थोड़े बड़े हैं, so just don't go very harsh on the skin. थोड़ा आराम से करना scrub, otherwise you might just end up hurting yourself. So yeah, that's the only thing. Last product that they sent was their Skin Castle Cosmetics Rose Mud Face Mask. This is how it looks like. I love the packaging of all the products, and जब ये आया था, जब ये deliver हुआ था पूरा box, तो बहुत अच्छे से pack करके दिया था, तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. And ये जो face mask है is exactly like मुल्तानी मिट्टी. तो ये बिल्कुल मुल्तानी मिट्टी जैसे ही है, जैसे हम मुल्तानी मिट्टी यूज करते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही है ये. So now let's just talk about the tint. Now this is one of the best selling products, but for me it didn't work at all, like at all. I know this is liquidy, but if you can see, this is way too liquidy, like way too. अब मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर दूँगी तो गिर ही जाएगा. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा लिक्विडी है, तो जब आप इसे लगाओगे तो ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ना स्प्रेड हो जाएगा, जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. सेकंड ऑफ ऑल, ये टिंट भी उतना ज़्यादा नहीं देता है. ऑल्दो आई नो ये नेचुरल है, होममेड है, तो ये टिंट उतना नहीं देगा जितना कोई भी और टिंट देगा जो केमिकली मेड होते हैं. बट स्टिल मुझे कलर नहीं दिखता है फेस पे अगर मैं इसे लगाऊँ तो. So for me it didn't work, although I have heard people raving about this, but it just didn't work for me. So I'm just letting you guys know. Okay, moving on to the next PR that I got. This one was from Matra Naturals and I got the Dead Sea Mud Mask. This is how it looks like. I really like the consistency of the mask. Let me just show you guys. You would understand what I'm talking about. Oh, okay. This has a moussey consistency. Look at it. Such moussey consistency, you can see it. The fragrance is very nice. It's like a perfume, but it is really very strong. So if you're someone who hates applying products with a lot of fragrance in them, especially on the skin, then I don't think you'll like it. But for me, I am okay with it, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, if you have highly sensitive skin and you don't like fragrance wale products, then stay away from it. So yeah, I love the mask. It's good, and it also is infused with hyaluronic acid, so it doesn't leave your skin dry at all. So that's a plus point, because lots of masks are out there that leave your skin drying, which is not good. So yeah, it doesn't do the same. So like it. Okay, moving on to the next PR I got from Kazama Cosmetics. So they sent their 2 products to me. One of them is vitamin C serum, and this is 20% vitamin C in it. Again, this is very highly scented, so if you're someone again who doesn't like fragrances in their skincare products, then stay away from it. Okay. Now moving on to the second product I got. This one is their Cocoa Body Butter. I'll be very honest with you guys. I don't reach out to it more often because this doesn't smell nice at all. Like when you open it, it smells so good, but when you apply it, look at it. The consistency is very thick, obviously because it is a body butter. It's good when you smell it like that, but when you apply it, all of that you're seeing here is from 2020, and I've gotten nothing in 2021 up till now. So, and the whole reason is that they are not willing to pay me as of now, and I'm not willing to do all of that for only products. I just don't want to hoard products. I'm going to be testing them for a while. I'm going to be giving my honest opinion. I will be making stories, posts, video posts, reels, and all of that for them, and I'm going to get nothing out of it. So I'm literally declining so many at this moment. Yeah, I'm literally declining so many collaborations at this moment. I just don't feel like doing it because they want so many things to be done without paying someone. And the fun part is the brands, the big brands, the known brands, the brands who have a lot of followers and they are so capable of paying people are not willing to pay people. And they want them to do everything without paying them. Yeah, so I'm declining so many collaborations at this point in time that I have gotten nothing in 2021 up till now. Like it's January although, but it's been so many days now, I've gotten nothing. And yeah, that's just something I wanted to talk to you guys about, that it is after a point, you cannot work on barter, especially when a brand wants you to do everything and all they're gonna send is their products. And sometimes not even that, they want you to buy them and then they will reimburse the money. I never do that. I never do the reimbursement wala thing ever. I just feel kabhi bhi fraud ho sakta hai. So I think बेटर यू ऑल्सो डोंट डू इट, ओके? कभी भी फ्रॉड हो जाएगा, वो PR एजेंट भाग जाएगा और तुम पैसों के लिए रोते रहोगे, तो वो मत करा करो प्लीज। तोबा मैं नहीं करती हूँ। ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट PR नाउ, लॉट ऑफ ब्लैबरिंग। ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट वन आई गॉट फ्रॉम हिलेरी रोडा। अगेन इनका एक इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर है, हिलेरी रोडा कॉस्मेटिक्स। उन्होंने मुझे अपने 4 प्रोडक्ट्स भिजवाए थे। सो द फर्स्ट वन दैट दे सेंट was their 12 color eyeshadow from Hilary Roda. This is how the outer packaging looks like. I will show you the inside packaging, like the inner packaging, inside packaging. कितना सही बोलती हूँ यार मैं, कितना सही बोलती हूँ मैं पूरी वीडियो ब्लूपर बनाती हूँ, पता है? बीच में कंटेंट मिल जाता है तो उसे एडिट करके डाल देते हैं, वरना मेरी पूरी वीडियो ब्लूपर होती है। जब एडिट करूँगी दिखाऊंगी मैं तुम्हें, कैसे दिखाऊंगी, कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ो। This is the packaging. And it exactly looks like a phone. Don't tell me it doesn't look like a phone, okay? Don't tell me. Look at that. And when you open it, you get all the shadows. This just has one matte shadow. Other than that, all of them are shimmers here. I've just washed it once. I've not even used it up till now. I really want to use it now. And it also comes with this 2-foot applicator, which is of no use. We all know why. So yeah. That's the first thing that they sent. The second thing is their sketch liner. Let me just see. This one is their HR Hilary Roda liquid liner or sketch liner. I love this. Even right now I'm wearing the same liner. Look at the felt tip. And then they sent to me their Lumilare primer. This is how the outer packaging looks like. And this is how the primer looks like. This comes with a pump. What else do you need? And this one is also a silicone based primer. Also because the only primer that I have other than this is also silicone based, and I love silicone based primers. Only because I have oily T-zone and I have a lot of pores going on, so yeah. Then the last product that they sent to me was their SPF 15 matte powder. Now this is 2-in-1. This has compact on top and loose powder on the bottom. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And the shade number is 02. अभी तक मैंने इसे यूज नहीं किया सही से. Like I have used the compact. ये है compact वाला part. But I've still not used the loose powder. Only because अभी मेरे पास अपना लूज पाउडर है, वो चल रहा है, तो मैं चाह रही हूँ वो एक बार खत्म हो जाए फिर मैं इसे ट्राई करूँ. इसके साथ इसका एक एप्लीकेटर आता है और ये रहा लूज पाउडर, जो देख पा रहे हो आप कि मैंने ओपन तक नहीं किया है. तो एक बार मेरा वो वाला खत्म हो जाए ना, फिर मैं इसे यूज करूँगी. Next I'm going to show you the products of Bloom Baths. So I got 4 products. एक है जो खत्म हो गया है, that is why वो है भी नहीं मेरे पास अभी. So that was the hair mask. वो खत्म हो गया, बहुत अच्छे से मैंने यूज़ किया उसको और वो खत्म हो गया. Although उसकी क्वांटिटी कम ही थी, but हाँ मैंने 3-4 बार उसको यूज़ किया था, मुझे अच्छा लगा था. Next they sent to me their green calamine face mask and I love this. Again this is more like multani mitti only. And then they sent to me their bath salt. This is mint eucalyptus bath salt. Smells amazing. मैंने 1 या 2 बार ही इसको यूज़ किया है. I don't reach out to it much, although ये बहुत अच्छा है and I know bath salt के अपने बहुत advantages होते हैं. But it's not my thing. Maybe I just don't reach out to it. So yeah, that's one thing. Now coming on to my favorite product out of everything that they sent to me is their lip balm. This is how it looks like. Such a cute lip balm. I use it every single day, like every single day. Trust me, if you are looking to buy from their website or from their Instagram store or whatever, make sure to check their lip balm out because you will not regret. बाकी जितने भी ये chemical based lip balms होते हैं ना, you will just throw them or just keep them aside और यही use करोगे. This is that good, like that good. बहुत अच्छा है ये. Now on to the next one. I got this one from Ashirwad Ayurveda. I got this hair oil and ये proper 100% natural hair oil है. मैंने इसको काफ़ी यूज़ किया है. इसकी ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी नहीं लगती है, मैंने काफ़ी बार इसे यूज़ किया है. But the only thing is इसकी जो smell है ना, once you apply it, after you're done applying it, वो उतनी pleasing नहीं है. Like there are so many oils हैं जिनकी fragrance कितनी प्यारी होती है, इसकी वैसी नहीं है. It's more like क्योंकि आयुर्वेदिक है, I agree. तो ये थोड़ा वैसा ही स्मेल करता है, हर्ब्स और इन सब के जैसे। मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट हेयर ऑयल, आई गॉट अनदर हेयर ऑयल. This one is from Real Grow and this is their medicated premium hair oil. ये नीचे से ऐसे खुल गया है, sorry for that. Okay, so this is how the hair oil looks like. This is one of the most expensive hair oils I've ever seen, like ever. This one is for $24.90. Yeah, and you can see those herbs floating. Oh my god. That is so beautiful, okay? I love it. I love it. And it smells amazing. और बहुत ज़्यादा अप्लाई नहीं करना पड़ता, थोड़े से काम हो जाता है. So lovely. I love this one. But obviously काफ़ी pricey है, तो अगर मुझे खुद से खरीदना होता तो आपको भी पता है कि मैं नहीं खरीदती. But I'm thankful and grateful to the brand for sending this to me because I actually love it. So the next PR I got is a hair color. So I got this one from Radico Organic. This is not the hair color I received. Like मैंने hair color कर लिया था तो वो हमने फेंक दिया डब्बा. वो एक maroonish sort of a hair color था और उसने मेरे बाल में अच्छे से टिंट दिया था सिर्फ, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा कलर नहीं आया था, उससे टिंट आया था. ऑल्सो बिकॉज ये ऑर्गेनिक है, नेचुरल है, तो इतना ज़्यादा कलर नहीं दिया, बट हाँ टिंट आ गया था. सो आई रियली लाइक द हेयर कलर. एंड उसके साथ इन्होंने ये अपना कलरलेस हैना भी भिजवाया है. हमारे घर में कोई हैना नहीं लगाता, दैट इज़ वाई ऐसा ही रखा है एकदम. अभी तक खोला भी नहीं है ये, ऐसे ही रखा है ये. और इसके साथ ये बॉक्स है, इसके अंदर जो भी एप्लीकेटर्स वगैरह होते हैं जो आपको कलर लगाने के लिए चाहिए वो सब इसमें दिए गए थे. सो या दैट्स द नेक्स्ट. थोड़ा सा रह गया है. So the next PR I got is from the Nail Room. This is a set of press-on nails. This is how the outer packaging looks like. And जब हम खोलेंगे तो हमें दिखेंगे हमारे सुंदर सुंदर nails. Lash glue. Lash glue. Nail glue. This is how the press-on nails का set looks like. I love it. I have worn this once. And मैंने इसको लगा के ना मेकअप लुक भी किया था. And that was makeup inspired by my nails. और oh god, it was so tough to do the makeup with these nails on. It was so tough, like so tough. मैं उसकी पिक्चर इंसर्ट कर दूंगी मेकअप लुक की, तो आप देख लेना. ये थोड़े ना मेरे लिए बड़े हैं. लाइक एक तो मैंने कभी प्रेस ऑन नेल्स नहीं अप्लाई किए हैं ऐसे, और ये लेंथ में भी बड़े हैं, तो आई कट ऑफ द नेल्स whenever I wear them next time. इसके साथ यू गेट द नेल ग्लू, यू गेट द फाइलर एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट ये जो स्टिकर टैब्स होते हैं. बट आई वुड सजेस्ट अगर आपको ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए रखना है ना तो अप्लाई इट विद द नेल ग्लू एंड नॉट ये स्टिकर टैब्स, बिकॉज ये निकल रहे थे. सो या दैट्स वन थिंग. And if you want yours, then please check out their Instagram page. And yeah, she's amazing. So please check it out. Yes, you will get personalized nails and size भी आपको अपना देना पड़ेगा, तो अच्छे से size वाले ही होंगे. तो yeah, उससे आपको कोई इशू नहीं होगा. तो you can go ahead and check it out. काफ़ी affordable हैं वैसे भी ये. So yeah, I think you can check it out if you want press-on nails and you want to experiment. So go ahead and check the page out. The next PR I got, this one was from Joy and I got two products. So ये जो face wash है इसका एक और था, बट वो पूरा ख़त्म हो गया है. एंड दिस इज़ अ न्यूली पैकेज्ड फेस वॉश जो अब खुलने वाला है. दिस इज़ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट फेस वॉश. मैंने बताया था ना, दिस वन इज़ माई सेकेंड फेवरेट. This is my favorite. This one is Skin Fruits Blemish Clarifying Fruit Infused Face Wash. This has tomatoes in it. Oh my god. This is such a nice face wash. I love it. I've used so many face washes, but this one has to be my favorite up till now. जितने भी मैंने अब तक use किए हैं, this is my favorite and this is so inexpensive also. So I think you can check it out. Please check it out. And the next product that they sent was their Mood Uplifting Skin Softening Stress Relief Scrub. I love this scrub so much. I have used this in one of my videos and I've showed this to you guys, and that was my skincare guide video. I think festive skincare guide. I did that video on my previous channel, so I will link it in description for you guys. So go ahead and check that video out. I actually explained you everything about the scrub and the face wash as well in detail. I love both of them, and when you use them together, voila, it's beautiful. Now we only have two more packages left, so let's just jump into the second last one. So this one is from Cleano Vibe. I got their package. Now they sent to me their 4 different sorts of facial wipes. I'm over with the micellar ones, like those were 3-in-1 micellar facial wipes. I'm done with them. This one is their exfoliating and cleansing wipes. Look at it. And exfoliating आपको लगेगा normal wipes ही होंगे जैसे होते हैं, नहीं, this is such a good wipe. मैं निकाल के नहीं दिखा सकती, otherwise वो waste हो जाएगा वो wipe, but ये नॉर्मल वाइप की तरह नहीं है. सो अगर आपको ऐसा परसेप्शन होगा इनके बारे में नॉर्मल वाइप्स होंगे, नहीं, ये भी नॉर्मल वाइप नहीं है. ये जो चारकोल वाइप्स है ये ब्लैक कलर की वाइप्स है, और ये वाले जो है वो है डिटॉक्स एंड प्योरीफाइंग फेशियल वाइप्स, और वो उसी चीज़ के लिए है. सो एवरी वाइप हैज़ अ डिफरेंट मोटिव एंड इट वर्क्स अमेजिंगली ऑन द स्किन. नाउ द थर्ड पैकेट दैट आई हैव हियर इज देयर मल्टीपर्पज सैनिटाइजिंग वाइप. Now moving on to the final one, और ये हो सकता है वो हो जिसकी वजह से आप इस वीडियो में आए हो, MyGlam. So this is the box. पहले से मैंने खोल कर रखा है क्योंकि मुझे पता था खोलना तो है ही, तो पहले से खोल लेते हैं. So this is the box. I think you can see everything. I think you can see all of it. So this is the box and this is everything I've received from MyGlam till date. So the first product that I see here is the MyGlam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Lip Crayon in the shade Passion, and this is the one I'm wearing right now on my lips. So I love this lip crayon. This is such a nice lip crayon. Look at that. So then I got 2 products from their K-Play range, and one is the rose highlighter and the other one is strawberry blush. I have talked about these in my video as well, so go ahead and check that video out. Then the next product I see here is their Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB Foundation. This is also what I'm wearing right now on my skin. Coverage उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है इसकी. This is for $9.50 and you get 5.8 gram product. But yeah, we all know MyGlam is a luxury brand, so products expensive होंगे ही होंगे. But if I talk about myself, would I buy it? अगर मुझे सिर्फ प्राइस वगैरह पता होता तो no, because I don't buy such expensive products. Because मुझे मिड रेंज प्रोडक्ट्स ही अच्छे लगते हैं, अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स. मेरे लिए ये अफोर्डेबल नहीं है. सबका अफोर्डेबल का कॉनिटेशन अलग होता है. मेरे लिए ये अफोर्डेबल नहीं है. आपके लिए होगा तो आप भी ले सकते हो ऑब्वियसली. आर्गन ऑयल एनरिच्ड है, इसलिए बहुत स्मूथली ग्लाइड भी करता है, तो अच्छा है फाउंडेशन वैसे. बट हाँ, उतनी कवरेज नहीं है. यू कैन बिल्ड इट अप ऑब्वियसली इफ यू वांट टू. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई हैव हियर इज द MyGlam liner. This one is the kajal or eyeliner. Again, I'm wearing this in my waterline. This one is in the shade Noir or black in French. Noir, Noir. I got 2 lipsticks and 1 lip liner. Both of them are from the range Lit. So yeah, this one is in the shade Basic. I love this lip liner so much. I use it almost every single time I wear makeup. Like, I just use it every time. And then these are the 2 lipsticks. This one is in the shade 12 Draking. This is how it looks like. Then this one I have here is in the shade 15 Cuffing. And this is how it looks like. It's more on the purple side, I would say. It's a beautiful shade. I love it. So yeah, you can see the comparison of the two. Because बहुत बार ना ये similar लगते हैं एकदम, but है नहीं, काफी different है ये. You can definitely see the comparison of the shades. Now the last product that I got from MyGlam and the last product from the entire video is the MyGlam nail paint. Now this one is Wanderlust Chrome Matte Finish nail paint and this one is in the shade Molly. Talking about the product in general, the nail paint is nice, the finish is nice, it is matte, it is good in the shade, like the shade wise it's good, you get a lot of shades in this range, so yeah, you can check it out. But the thing is, ये भी जल्दी ही chip हो जाती है, so if you are someone looking for a long lasting nail paint, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बहुत long lasting है just because it is from MyGlam. Nothing like that. ये भी बहुत जल्दी chip हो जाती है, just like any other nail paint you would use. So yeah, that is it for this video. God, my bed is a mess. My whole room is a mess. Oh my God! And if you're still here, I love you. You're a gem of a person, and I love you so much. If you enjoyed this video, you know what you have to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, let me know in the comment section if you liked it. And also let me know इनमें से क्या आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा और ऐसा क्या है जो आप चाहते हो आपको भी प्यार में रिसीव हो. And yeah, that's it. Oh, wait. One more thing, and that is you have to click on the bell notification icon so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram for more updates. I post reels and posts and videos and so much on Instagram. You need to follow me there. Okay. Also, please check out my other channel. It is What Next. I will link it in the description also. So yeah, that's it. Bye. Tired, guys. Bye.